Hello and welcome. This video series is a resource for those who want to learn Python programming language from scratch. In this series, we'll cover many topics, from the basics of Python programming language to data structures, functions, and modules. Python is an easy and understandable language, and it's an object-oriented programming language that allows your code to be modular and reusable. In this video series, we'll focus on the fundamental structure of the Python programming language. First, you'll learn how variables are defined in Python and what data types are. You'll also gain knowledge about programming structures like decision structures, loop structures, and functions. Data structures are crucial in Python programming language. In this video series, you'll learn about data structures such as lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. You'll also learn how to read and write data in Python programming language. Modules and packages are also crucial in Python programming language. In this video series, you'll learn how to define and use Python modules and what Python packages are. This video series is a resource for those who want to learn Python programming language from scratch. By gaining fundamental knowledge about Python programming language, you'll be able to develop the skills you need to improve your coding skills. Thank you for watching this video and happy learning. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like and share, and consider subscribing to my channel. I will continue to create more useful content for you. See you soon.